Friend, in this lecture we are going to learn len and substitute. Here len gives us the length of the string. Use it like by typing len and selecting the source and press enter, and we get the total number of 11 characters. Kapil and Mohan are 5 each, and with a space in between, total 11 characters. We can drag it down. The number 2045 is composed of 4 characters. 2045 true is composed of 4 characters, and we can copy all this down and paste on this side. When we paste it, you see the 10 is 1 character less because the space is missing in here as compared to the left Kapil Mohan, and here it is showing 3 characters. 3 means that nothing is visible, it means there are blank space. If I push a blank space and delete 1 character, it will turn to 2. And interesting, these are the interesting ones. It is showing here 5 and 3. You see these are the numbers 5 and 3. If I select them and I go to format and make a date, it will show me dates and show me 5 and 3. That means each and every date is a unique number, and this 5 and 3 length will calculate out the length of that unique number, how many characters that number is composed of. Let us go now to substitute. Substitute helps us in replacing a character. Right here say replace the a with @ symbol, and also you can assume that this substitute works on case, that is if it is a small a, then it will only replace small a, it will not replace this capital A Agarwal or Atul or A capital A, it will only replace a small a. Let us check it out. I will write down here substitute. Substitute is having 4 arguments. To see all the arguments, it is better to go in the formula bar and click here on the fx in front of a formula bar. The dialog box of the function opens up, and the first is text, that means our source. We select the text. Then old text, that means we want to replace a small a. I type down a small a and move on to the next. Now write down @ because we want to replace it by @ and instant num. Instant num is like they are asking which instance of a you want to replace. If in a set of string there are 4 a's, you want to replace the second a, then you have to write it here is 2, right? If you write here 2, then only the second a will replace and rest of the a will be left untouched. We leave it blank, that means we are replacing all the a's, and we press. Now you see all a's are replaced. We will drag it down. What happens? You see all a's are replaced except the capital A. You see in Atul capital A, Agarwal capital A, Amit capital A, all capital A's are left untouched, whereas small a's are replaced. Let us do an example with the help of substitute. So this says that we have to find out how many times a character A appears in each of these names. Like in Kapil, Mohan, Garg, here it appears 3 times, Atul, Agarwal many times. So we have to find out how many small a appears in each. For that, first we have to find the length. Find the length of the string and copy it down like this. Then we'll substitute small a with nothing, with blank. So we'll write down equal to substitute, and then go to fx. In the fx, we'll replace it by our text, that is Kapil Mohan or whatever it character is there. You have to select that. Old text means smaller we have to replace. New text is we have to replace it by nothing. We can leave it like this. We put the inverted commas with nothing in between. That means we are replacing it by nothing. Leave the instance blank and we said OK. Now you see every small a is being replaced. We'll go and double click here, but capital A's are intact, small a's are removed. We'll find the length of this substitute. The length of this substitute, and copy it down. And now we can subtract 2 length to find how many character A have been replaced in a particular string. That is 16 minus this 13. And in the first one we are having 3, like A and A, and so on.